launch of GOM Software 2021. This latest software release brings very exciting features for product development, quality control, and manufacturing professionals around the world. GOM Software 2021 elevates your engineering experience. Today, we're going to share our team's top 10 favorite new features, ranging from 3D data acquisition to dimensional inspection to automation. After that, we'll have a special guest interview with Priscilla, our amazing customer experience specialist, followed by a live Q&A session with two of our incredibly talented application engineers, who are also certified GOM software trainers.
GOM Software engineering team has designed the platform to provide a seamless and unified experience for acquiring and utilizing highly accurate digital twins throughout your manufacturing processes. GOM software can be used as a standalone application on your PC or combined with high-tech hardware like GOM's ATOS digitizing systems or any other type of 3D measuring equipment.
In today's fast-paced world, it's critical to have software that can bring big data together in a way that can be easily analyzed, understood, and shared. GOM software is intelligent and intuitive, so it takes the guesswork out of making sound decisions, which saves your mental space, prevents unnecessary stress, and results in better outcomes. And Capture 3D engineers have helped manufacturers from all types of industries and applications see success with implementations of this advanced software.
Customers say a big benefit of the GOM software is the ability to communicate and collaborate with colleagues, other departments, suppliers, and customers more efficiently and effectively. Being able to harness the benefits of big data with user-friendly tools like data visualization, streamlined analysis functions, and reporting is a key factor for success in today's modern manufacturing landscape. And the GOM Software 2021 is the premier solution for anyone who develops or manufactures products. You are sure to level up your processes and team collaboration with the new GOM Software ecosystem, and it's been proven with over hundreds of thousands of downloads.
So, let's get started with the top 10 features of the GOM software for 2021.
The GOM Suite brings you a centralized hub and streamlined workflows for quicker access to everything you need for solving metrological challenges. The modern design and configurable setups help make this the best GOM software experience yet.
One of the first things you'll notice upon installing the 2021 software version is the new GOM Suite. This is where you'll begin. It's the main dashboard for the entire GOM software ecosystem. From one location, you can access all of your applications, licenses, drivers, as well as their updates. You can see new trainings and news updates, and access the GOM forum for discussions and insights into topics that are relevant to you. You'll also manage your GOM ID, and with customizable startup configurations, you can stay focused on your projects without being distracted by a cluttered interface. The ultra-modern interface has been designed hand-in-hand with direct customer feedback. GOM software has long been a standard for solving metrology challenges, and this release brings the four software worlds and all relevant information into a central control center. GOM Inspect for surface analysis, GOM Correlate for material analysis, GOM Volume Inspect for CT data analysis, and now GOM Blade Inspect for the analysis of aerospace and power gen turbine engine components.
The GOM Software 2021 has a number of camera tab improvements that help take the guesswork out so that you can achieve better scanning results. There are now improved adaptive exposure functions and more information for you to get better results quickly and intuitively.
The exposure settings now have new adaptive exposure times available. You no longer need to make these adjustments with mouse clicks between each scan. The cameras can meter for surface and lighting conditions and make automatic adjustments. Now, there's an option for adjustable spot metering that makes intuitive exposure adjustments between scans. And exposure times can automatically adapt based on reference points if they're being used. Also, additional display information shows how the exposures are being adjusted. You can see color feedback in the upper corner of the live window and new weighting indicators for the automatic bimetric exposure time setting. And lastly, you can preview exposures with just one click.
GOM Software 2021 now utilizes the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU. This new feature helps process the measurement data much faster and more efficiently, allowing the operators to save time while scanning and visualizing their parts.
While having high-resolution 3D data of your parts does bring you benefits throughout your manufacturing processes, no one wants to hold up a project waiting for the scan data to finish processing. The GPU acceleration feature processes your scan data faster, giving you a huge time saving and lightening the load off of your CPU. All you need to do to use it is make sure it's enabled in your project scanning settings.
Workflow Assistant lowers the learning curve for all new users. GOM Inspect Suite provides a step-by-step interactive guide to achieve repeatable data. The software also monitors your progress and gives you solutions to any problems that you run into.
This is a new tool for 2021 to help anyone with their non-automated scanning tasks, and it doesn't require a highly trained operator to achieve accurate and reliable results. Each step of the scanning process greets you with clear instructions and only relevant options to help you get high-quality scan data. For example, first choose whether you'll be scanning multiple parts at once or just a single part. If you're using a rotation table, you can set up the number of rotations to get complete coverage of your geometries. Or you can go straight into manual scanning. Then flip over the part if you need to scan the other side and continue scanning until complete. You can also make use of photogrammetry data, reference points or frames, and scanning templates directly in the Workflow Assistant. And if you run into any issues during scanning, we'll even offer you guided solutions.
The multi-part feature of the software brings a lot of benefits. One of these benefits being the ability to batch scan in a very efficient way. This will reduce cycle time and increase productivity of the system.
If you've ever needed to get a lot done all at once, multi-part scanning is your new best friend. With this feature, you can scan multiple parts at the same time, and the software will recognize each part individually, transforming it into its own unique digital twin. It works very simply. Here's an example. Place the parts on a rotation table and scan them all at once. The software will then recognize the parts and have each part polygonized as an individual mesh that is easily transferred into an inspection template. You can even divide the working area into segments or cuboids to create more efficiency in your process. If you need to turn your parts to measure multiple sides, or if you want to create a template from your setup to further speed up your process, you simply apply and measure reference points before you begin scanning. This feature supports a faster workflow, even for advanced users, and it can work in conjunction with the Workflow Assistant software feature. With its ability to support a demand for high throughput, this feature will significantly benefit those who need to inspect multiple small parts, assemblies, and additive manufacturers.
With the new CAD import capabilities, we're able to greatly reduce the time needed to import CAD, along with improve the responsiveness of the software. Filters are able to be applied while importing CAD to certain elements that may or may not be needed. After this, filters are able to be saved as templates, and these templates can be shared across your company.
In the past, importing larger CAD files could be very time-consuming and difficult to do working in the Explorer. To solve this in the 2021 software, we have now applied filtration of the import process. So if you have an assembly with invisible parts you don't need, you can simply choose to import based on what is visible and what is not visible. Also, you can use the advanced filter for your imports based on only the geometries needed in the assembly or PMI data and so forth. Import filters can also be saved as templates for subsequent projects. This new CAD import process allows you to import projects many times faster than before. This is going to make it a lot easier for you to work on projects with improved workflow without needing to compress or reduce file sizes prior to import.
GD&T Quick Create is now a part of the iInspect wheel. It's essentially less scroller and fewer clicks to create your elements. It's still the quickest way to create GD&T callouts while still following the ASME and ISO guidelines.
With the new 2021 GOM software, ISO label handling now gives you more control for customized 3D visualizations. Featuring snap-to-grid functionality and improved user interaction guidance, displaying your dimensional results with ISO stylized labels has never been easier.
GOM Blade Inspect is a collection of specialized software tools for efficiently analyzing 3D scan data in airfoil applications. These powerful tools allow you to analyze airfoil geometries and your part's unique geometries in a streamlined workflow.
Although GOM Blade Inspect is a new feature for 2021, it's been years in the making. GOM has worked with airfoil customers around the world to develop these incredible tools. Tools for point section, profile inspection, and reporting. And this update has taken all of the relevant functions for airfoil inspections and reorganized them into this new module. You now have a dedicated workspace that's been tailored for those working in airfoil and turbine blade applications. In addition to the standard inspection features, GOM Blade Inspect also gives you a new toolbar so you can quickly work from left to right and find the functions you need in each step of your process. The feedback from engineers out in the field is that they're consistently impressed with the ease of use and the breadth of tools available for blade inspections. And now, you can complete your blade inspections and get detailed insights in a sleek, industry-specific software.
Extended calibration allows you to have reference target support up to 2 times more than the depth of your measuring volume in your scan box. This will allow you to have more flexibility in your reference frame setup and allow you to have more distance between your frame and the part you are scanning.
In addition to extended calibration, another useful update for automated scanning is with the Smart Scanning feature. Smart Scanning makes it possible for you to create a template with minimal input from the operator. The software is going to create, execute, and optimize photogrammetry and 3D scanning positions. Together with extended calibration, flexibility is improved and cycle times are reduced. So that's our top 10 features of the new GOM software for 2021. Now let's go to Emily and Priscilla, who are standing by to discuss the customer experience specialist role and why a support program is a crucial component to ensuring your GOM software success.
With me today is Priscilla, our customer experience specialist, who helps our customers every day to ensure they're getting the full value of their GOM software solutions.
Hi, Emily. Thanks. And I'm excited to be a part of the GOM software launch. As you mentioned earlier to the audience, we have a number of new features within the software every year. So it's important for our customers to understand the benefits of our support program so they have access to the latest release.
That's great. You mentioned a little bit about what you do at Capture 3D, but do you mind explaining more about what you do?
Yeah, my job is to make sure that after you purchase one of our solutions, you're receiving the best support possible. I make sure that you're aware of your options for support and maintenance, and I work closely with multiple internal teams to point you in the right direction for anything you need.
Yeah, Capture 3D provides a lot of resources to its customers, so it's great that you're there to help people make sure they're getting the most out of their Capture 3D investment. You have the exciting opportunity to work with so many of our customers across the country. What do you love most about working with our customers?
You know, our customers are such a diverse group of people, and I love getting to know them. I love interacting with them. I love hearing about their day. I also like to identify what they need to make their customer experience a successful journey. Working with our customers and building a relationship is important to me, and I want our customers to have a consistent experience every time I interact with them, and always leave them with a good feeling knowing that I accomplished what they needed.
It's really true that the whole Capture 3D team delivers a unique and special quality of support to its customers. What makes our support program a significant value?
Our support program is designed to help our customers be successful and maximize their technology investment. This is done by quickly resolving issues and reducing downtime. Once a customer contacts our support team, a case is immediately initiated, and our technicians resolve most cases within 24 hours.
Wow, 24 hours, that's a good turnaround time. Can you share some of the other top features in our support program?
Of course, we have local representatives to help our customers across the country. We provide unlimited customer support via phone, email, website, or remote session with priority support team communication. We have a 24/7 easy to access web support portal. Our dedicated support team really cares about our customers. So if your system breaks down, you need a repair, our support team is there for you to get you back to work as quickly as possible. The program is really a peace of mind insurance to protect your investment. And best of all, we have a 5-star customer rating.
Wow, a 5-star rating? That's amazing. So Priscilla, how can our customers reach the support team?
If you need assistance, please email us at support@capture3d.com or just call any of our offices and ask for support. Someone will quickly direct your call to the appropriate team member.
Thanks for sharing all of this with us, Priscilla. We appreciate you taking the time to talk with us today.
Thank you for your time. It was great meeting with you today, Emily.
So that wraps up this portion of the event. We've shared with you our picks for the top 10 features of the new GOM Software 2021. And we heard about the amazing benefits that our support programs provide. But the list of updates doesn't end here. There are just too many updates to cover them all today. GOM's team has also streamlined and reorganized the licensing options in 2021. So if you're interested in upgrading or getting started or learning more about the new release, the best thing to do is contact us at capture3d.com or get in touch with your technical sales engineer right away.